as you guys know, tomorrow is Cinco de Mayo, so I'm going to be making a Cinco de Mayo dinner tomorrow. So tonight I am going to throw together my quick and easy salsa and let it sit in the refrigerator overnight so all of those good flavors can mix together. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to use Pampered Chef products to make my quick and easy salsa. So what you need is your manual food processor, you need your citrus press, your garlic press, your adjustable teaspoon, your Santoku knife, and a flexible cutting board. All right, and let's get started. Okay, let's talk about the ingredients. So I'm using canned tomatoes tonight. If you have fresh at home, you can go ahead and use those. I would say probably one would be good, one large tomato. I'm going to use some fresh cilantro, a half of a red onion, 2 jalapenos because we like it spicy, some garlic, and we like it a lot of garlic, so I'm using 2 cloves, and a lime to give it some juice, okay? So let's get started. So I'm going to take my manual food processor and I'm going to put the blade in it, okay? It's ready to use. I am then going to dump, I did drain these tomatoes a little bit because I didn't want it too watery, okay? Next, we're going to take our fresh cilantro. You do not have to chop all of this. The manual food processor will do all the work for you. So I'm just going to give it a rough cut off of the stems and you sprinkle it in. Okay. We're going to do the garlic next in our garlic press. And it comes right off. I always scrape it just to get all of it. Again, I'm going to use 2 cloves. If you don't like a whole lot of garlic, you can go ahead and just use 1. If you don't have fresh, you can use powdered. The great thing about this recipe is you can use whatever ingredients you have and adjust it for your flavor, okay? Next, we have our lime. I'm gonna go ahead and cut that in half. Put it in our juice press, or our citrus press, and I'm going to squeeze. This is a juicy lime. It's all coming out. Okay. All right. So as you can see, this, it really took it. I think I'm probably only going to use half of that lime because it was very juicy. I'm then going to, let's move that out of the way, use my jalapenos. Again, I'm just cutting the stem off and I'm just going to cut it in half. This food processor is going to do it all for me. If you don't like it spicy, you can always leave the jalapenos out. And again, this onion, just gonna quarter it, sprinkle it around. So seasonings, I'm gonna use just salt. Again, however much salt you want. After it sits in the refrigerator, you can always add a little bit more. Okay, some pepper. And then I'm gonna use a half a teaspoon of cumin because we love cumin here at our house. Okay? Extra. All right, so we're then gonna take the lid, we're gonna place it on there, and it is going to do all the work for me. Now, you can do this as long or as short as you want. If you like it chunky, you can leave it, you can just do a few pulses till everything's kind of chopped and combined. If you like it smooth, you can just keep going to town. So you can check it. As you can see, it's chopping up. I probably want it obviously a little bit thinner than that. So I'm gonna do it some more. This is super easy. Let's check it again. It's getting there. You see how that's, it smells so good. That lime is really smelling good. Okay, one more check, and I think that looks perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna take the blade out, shake it off. Now I'm gonna put the lid on it. And it is now ready to sit overnight in the refrigerator for us to enjoy with our dinner tomorrow. See you tomorrow.